Hi students, myself Rihanna MS, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adoor. We are studying the subject Civil Engineering Project Management for 8th semester BTech degree as per APJ KTU syllabus. We have covered almost all the portions, that is the six modules of this particular subject, and now we are moving to revision. Before moving to revision, I want to remind you something about the fourth module. The first part of fourth module deals with the ethics in construction. In the last video, I have detailed about the definition of ethics, importance of ethics, professional ethics, its importance, etc. And today's discussion is construction. As we all know that construction industry has a very poor perception and regard with the public. In the construction industry, ethics has developed both at a professional and organizational level. The increasing emphasis on sustainability and environment in construction further requires companies to apply ethical standards to their activities. Now, the principles of ethics in construction. In 2003, the Society for the Construction Law published a report with the following ethical principles. First one is honesty. Second one, fairness. Third one, fair reward. Fourth one, reliability. Fifth one, integrity. Sixth one, objectivity. And seventh one, accountability. These are the 7 principles of construction ethics. Now, the ethical problems or problems encountered in construction works. Some of the problems encountered in construction works include: first one, cover pricing. Second one, bid cutting or breach of contract. Third one, poor documentation. Fourth one, late and short payments. Fifth one, subcontractors' lack of safety ethics. Sixth one, unfair treatment of contractors in tender or final account negotiations. Seventh one, competitors' overstatement of capacity and qualification to secure work. Eighth one, competitors' falsification of experience and qualifications. Ninth one, bureaucratic government policy. 10th one, conflict of interest. And 11th one, fraud and bribery. So these are some of the common unethical problems encountered in civil engineering works. Now, we have to study codes of ethics. The codes of ethics are guidelines for specific group of professionals to help them perform their roles, to know how to conduct themselves, and to know how to resolve various ethical issues. The codes of ethics helps the professionals to apply moral and ethical principles to the specific situations encountered in professional practice. These codes convey the rights, duties, and obligations of the members of the profession. Positive roles of codes of ethics. First one is inspiration. Second one, guidance. Third one, support for responsible conduct. Next, deterring and disciplining unethical professional conduct. Education and promoting of mutual understanding. Contributing to a positive public image of the profession. Protecting the status quo and suppressing dissent within the profession. Promoting business interests through restraint of trade. Next is the Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. A professional must be inclusive, should be considerate, should be respectful, choose your words carefully, don't harass anyone, make differences into strength. So these are some of the code of ethics to be followed by a professional or an engineer in a construction industry. Next is the provisions of a professional code. The provisions of a professional code includes: a code of ethics prescribes how professionals are to pursue their common ideal so that each may do the best he or she can at a minimal cost to herself or himself and those he or she cares about. The code is to protect each professional from certain pressures. A role of professional bodies. The professional bodies have some important functions in maintaining the professional ethics, which includes set and assess the professional examinations, provide support for continuing professional development through learning opportunities and tools for recording and planning, publish professional journals or magazines, provide networks for professionals to meet and discuss their field of expertise, issue a code of conduct to guide professional behavior, deal with complaints against professionals and implement disciplinary procedures, enables fairer access to the professions, find out our fair access section, provide career support activities for students, graduates and people already working. So hoping that you have understood the ethics in construction. It is already took in the class. Go through the video once again and study well. It's very important. Professional ethics is very important. So study it well. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.